How to enable lossless audio Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Spotify over here, just to make sure you have an updated version of the Spotify application. Here you can see we have an update available, so you can simply tap on the update option. So as you tap on update, it will start updating it, so make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Now after the update is done, it will start installing all the updates on our device over here, so we might have to wait for a few seconds to get it all updated and installed on our device. So let's wait for a few more seconds over here, and as we tap on the option of Spotify, you can simply launch it and make sure that you are logged into your account as well on Spotify. So let's wait for a while until it loads us the Spotify application and get it installed all the updates over here. So let's tap on open, and as we tap on open, it will land us to the main page of Spotify application. So what we need to do over here in order to enable the lossless audio on Spotify is to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, as you tap on the profile icon, select on the option over here. So let's just tap on the profile icon and then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on media quality option. And as you do that, you can see the audio streaming quality. So we have 5 options: automatic, low, normal, high, and very high. We do not have the option of lossless audio over here for now. So preferably this is not the feature that has been provided to us by Spotify itself. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.